Stop. This is not my kind of thing, guys. This is meant for a dog half my size.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you. I thought you were